Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and I have a tool haul for you and a few tools from our friend Dirk at Leader. So sit back, relax, and check out this rusty gold that we've received and picked up and found. Okay, we found this 10-inch alloyed drop forged heavy duty. Well, let's see where it's. Well, India. Adjustable. A Bridgeport Scout. You can see Bridgeport right there. Boy Scout hatchet. An old wrench. I've got a plan for this for Halloween. Pair of Stowe, Kansas City, from the Stowe hardware store. That'll clean up really well. Here is just kind of a Power Master junk pair of pliers for the Halloween challenge. Got this Craftsman 8-inch USA 200mm. It does work. Adjustable. This really sweet pair of Craftsman vice grips. Locking pliers. Yeah, this is really cool. I really like these. These are really nice. I don't know if you can see that too well. It says Nash, and that is number 2. So a number 2 Nash, probably from an auto kit. That clean up. I tried to hit it with the wire wheel, but I have no idea what brand this is. These are pretty chowdered. I think we can do something with these. If not, it might turn into a Halloween challenge. Here is a Barco Buffalo. It is pretty bad. That was in there. Got this Proto Professional, probably Pueblo Gas and Electric. I kind of started working on this, but yeah, I'll have to work on this one. Got this Blackhawk adjustable 8-inch. It does work. Probably needs to be lubricated a little bit. This alloy steel, which is focus a Blackhawk. Yeah, that'll clean up really nice. Got this wooden handled screwdriver. It says Great Neck on there. I don't see the giraffe. But yeah, it's pretty decent. Found 411 or 4114 Western Forge Crossman 1/4" reed prints. Tip needs to be kind of cleaned up. Really cool find is this Stanley of Phillips, but I don't recall seeing anything with this style handle. That's it's really nice, really comfortable. Stanley. I mean, this is clean. A little advertising screwdriver. Can't really see what it's advertising anymore. Now this is Phillips tip. Little mini S wrench, no brand, no name. This little wrench, I'm not sure, but I think this might be a Bridgeport. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to definitely look it up. 3/8 by 7/16. Or 9mm by 11mm. One of these adjusting hooks. I need this for my fence gate. This mini little tiny wrench. This is a first for me, but if it focuses, it says Lakeside. So I've never seen a Lakeside with this brand before, or this logo. So yeah, pretty cool little wrench. Not sure of this brand. I like the pattern. They're nice pliers. The only marking I really could see was right here. Can't really see it well on the camera. See right there? I'm not even sure what that is. It could be a stamp code, date code. But other than that, I didn't find anything else in these pliers. But they are pretty beefy. They feel heavy and well put together. Here. Got this Indestro little wrench. $13 32 or 5/16. Found this Napa, this design right here. Let me go grab some of my other ones. Okay, so this is the Napa. 7/16. So here's what I have collected so far like that. An Isco 15. You got the Isco 23 millimeter. Here's a Napa 5/8. And got a Isco 5/8, 11/16. But yeah, there's the Napa 5/8. Here's an Isco 5/8. So that's the story on the Napa. I'm not sure. This is a long bolt with a brass hammer. Somebody made a homemade little hammer. I'm sure we can do something with this down the road. Really nice proto flat blade. Found a T-handle, Craftsman V series. Yeah, 1/4-inch drive. I've got a 1/4-inch drive Craftsman set someplace. I'm gonna have to dig it out. And yeah, I got this just put in there. Here is an oldie but a goodie. It's a 13/16 Thor speed socket. When was the last time you saw Thor? Got this little Stanley Yankee ratchety thing. Number, what is that? 3400. Kind of cool little tiny thing. And we've got this New Britain. I've never seen a long socket like this. There's an owner's mark H. New Britain, 1/2 inch. But yeah, this is pretty long. So I've never seen a socket like that before. And then I grabbed this top box tray. Thing we got. This is came from our friend Dirt over at Leader. We've got this crescent, Crystalloy, adjustable. It needs to be cleaned up. We got the Sears 11/16. I think I might come up. I see these all the time. I might grab made in Japan. Grab a set of these and maybe fill it in and make a set. So that's pretty cool. And then finally, we've got this monkey or pipe wrench. Somebody marked it number 4. Flip it over. It's got a J and a diamond, but when I took a look at the jaw here, made in Canada. So this is Canadian. So any of you guys up north have any idea what that could be? Please let me know in the comments. Is this pickle fork? And I'm trying to read what it says. RIMAC, Rimic 35B. Anybody ever see something like that? Next we have, this is a proto-professional. Maybe. No, this is not. This is unbranded. This is kind of a beading hacking tool. We'll have to clean up in Scout Crafter fashion. An old broken file. Mind you, all these came in one bundle. Nicholson. Here we have Proto Challenger. It's raining out today, so I'm in the shop. I haven't worked on cleaning up anything, so bear with me. And this pickle fork, yes folks, it is a Bonnie. Not quite sure what this is. It's well used, probably for a body shop, but there's no name on it. This kind of torpedo looking thing, someone tried to sell it for $5.95. I'm not sure what this is. Any of this stuff, if you know what it is or what it's used for, let me know. Wear safety glasses. Proto Professional. My camera's not acting right today. 1/2 inch. Kind of cool little. And then this, I'm not seeing the name on this one. A little punch. There's something right there. Not sure what that could be. Weld spatter. Yeah, I try to clean it up on the bench grinder. Yeah, I don't know what it was. Just a dent. got this little chisel-y thing for concrete, I believe. Desco. The smaller one, which is a Desco as well. So that's this is a 1/2 inch. It doesn't say this is B1. This big ass thing. We'll have to look that up. But yeah, this is a big ass thing. This chisel goes into a probably a hammer drill or one of those pneumatic chipper things. This little one, no, here's Struts and Son. This crazy for chiseling around corners. It's Mephisto number 010. But yeah, I'll have to definitely look this up and see what this is for. Crazy tool. Here's another Nicholson. Why is my camera acting all funny? Imagine if Gold Medal USA file. Hey everybody, what'd you think of those tool finds? Wow. What was your favorite? I think my favorite has to be the Craftsman vice grips. They're pretty cool. Although finding a Bonnie Pickle fork out in the wild was pretty gnarly too. And man, we got some good stuff. And then that Bridgeport Scout axe. That's going to clean up really nice. So hopefully I can do a video on that one. And because I'm not much of an axe guy, but I've got a lot of axe guy friends out there that like to do the axes, and so, you know, I better do one or two myself. So I guess that one's a good one to start with. So otherwise, you guys stay safe, and we will check you later.